guys, good morning. So this is another day. Yeah, so I kind of woke up good. I woke up with a headache and I don't know why. But anyways, I'll still have to work out this morning. I was listening to this popular podcast. I'm sure you guys must have heard about them, these guys. So they are very, very hilarious guys. Good. Like I enjoyed them a lot. In fact, I'm now in season 2, episode 28. I know I'm not so consistent, but whenever I have time, I always listen to them. Very inspiring, man. So guys, this thing happened to you, yeah? When you feel less inspired, you just want to look for a channel. Maybe you go on IG, you look for all these comic pages to just cheer you up, or maybe you just go on YouTube, you look for videos that will just lift your spirit. I do that a lot. So most mornings when I feel a bit cranky, I just try to find channels on YouTube or maybe on IG. I'll just go to some comic pages like that, and then I'll just breeze through, and then my day will be brightened up somehow. It works for me. It has worked a whole lot of time for me. Like these podcasts I've been listening to, they've sort of cheered me up, yeah. And yeah, I have online lectures this morning, yeah. So I think that one will last for 3 hours. So after which I'll step out because I'm supposed to go to the market to buy stuff. So from there I will go to GIG Logistics I want to send some stuff to Lagos. What else am I supposed to do today? I mean, I don't remember everything, but you guys probably see. Maybe if I have time, I'll probably video it. Yeah, that's just pretty much it for today. Nothing much. I don't have so much activities today, thank God. So yeah, see you guys.
The sun's going down as I try to make my way through the crowd. Feeling alive, I love being by your side. It makes me shine. We got one summer, so let's make it count. You make me feel like everything's alright. Let's dance our problems away in the night. Love being right next to you. You'll be on my mind. I'll be dreaming about this till the end of time. We are young, we are free, down for the ride. Might be over tomorrow, but we got this day forever. Yeah, we got the summer forever. If it's only for now.
Wow, guys, can you imagine? This thing came in less than a week. I thought it was going to take long, but I'm glad it's here. God, I'm so in love with this. I had it once. It was gifted to me and I enjoyed it. It smells so good. It smells floral, yeah. It smells like cherries. And this one I had to order two of them. They smell divine. I first saw them at Dimaume's Instagram when she talked about them. I was like, okay, let me just try it. Man, this smells so good. So good, woo. So yeah.
Shooting me with words, but I won't let them bruise. though it hurts, I won't show it to you. 'Cause it will ricochet, I won't let it bite. I will look at you and tell you that I'm alright. Like a ricochet, it will come back to you. Let me tell you, not because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away. And even if you're trying to hurt me, my skin's getting thicker each day. I don't know how you fall asleep at night, knowing that your words are hurtful, it's just not right. No, because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away. Like a ricochet, like a ricochet, like a ricochet, like a ricochet. Let me tell you, no, because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away. And even if you're trying to hurt me, my skin's getting thicker each day. I don't know how you fall asleep at night, knowing that your words are hurtful, it's just not right. No, because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away. Like a ricochet, like a ricochet, like a ricochet, like a ricochet.
Don't know what to feel about this. I wanted everything to go right, but baby, I don't feel it this time. It's funny how you were leaving town in 2 days. I was the only one in your way. It all just felt a little too strange. These dreams, they take me too high. I wanted you one more time, but you were too far to reach. These heavy chains bring me down. My feet knows no solid ground, but you're not close to me. I feel low. I feel low. I feel low, really slow. When you're close, it's always slow. Heaven knows why I'm so lonely. If I could.
First take permission. As I saw your face, I say, it's you. Happy New Year. Everybody is fine, no. Who's on this?
I know.
Where is not the one? Check your pocket.
I had to change my room around like 3 or 4 times.
You don't come with you today.
No. No, he's not here. He's in Abuja.
Who's on baby?
Don't run.
Hey.
He's tired of our parents' wahala. So he started to run.
Where have you gone now?
Gona is fine. He's still at home.
Your mom has been a while.
Exactly. exactly. Before you stay in this kind of place, what will even bring her here? If you're about to come here, whatever you want to buy, she will say, eh? Doesn't have that time.
Hey, man, get to her.
No problem, she will hear. Yes,
I feel low.
morning, guys. So it's another day. So guys, yesterday I'm so sorry I wasn't able to film. Not like I wasn't able to film, I forgot to film. When I went to GIG, I forgot to film. Yeah, so I went and gave the parcel I wanted to send to Lagos, and then after which I went to Spar. You guys saw that yesterday, and then I got some stuff. I got yogurt, I got apples, I got hairspray, I got lip balm. I can't remember everything I got, Chapo. You guys saw in the video, right? And then the lady, the cashier, or rather the sales rep at the counter where I was supposed to go pay for these things, happened to be like an old family friend of ours. And this lady, we haven't seen her in like 6 to 7 years now. So I was so surprised to see her at the counter. I was like, what are you doing here? She was excited. I mean, it was an exciting moment here. So we had to do like a mini catching up and all that. It was exciting. I was really glad to have met her. I mean, it has been such a long time, you know. So yeah, that's just basically it. And today I have lectures online for 2 hours, but before then, that's starting in an hour's time. So before then, I need to go work out for about say 20-30 minutes. Then after which I'll have breakfast, then sit for my lectures. Then after which I'm going to my tailor's. I want to go get my clothes because I've had, like, this guy has been with my clothes for over 4 months now. Can you imagine? So I want to go get my clothes, and then I just hope he has finished them. So I'm going to drop material for him. I got them in the market the other day, and yeah, that's just basically it. So I'll see you guys later.
Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Everyone always keep falling in love again. The fuck's wrong with them? I don't understand. Maybe it will pass by, someone save me. Before I pass out, I'm too lonely to be done. I'm a drink at this place. Yeah. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Ooh. Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be 2 of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy to you, don't it? Why am I the only one who's left in the rain?
You can come on over if you want to. We can watch some TV, watch some Netflix if you want. You can come on over if you want to. We can do whatever we want to, baby. I've been missing you like crazy lately, but I don't think you feel the same thing, baby. Well, maybe you do. Cause you love me like the seasons change. You're hotter than July. You're cold, you switch so fast. You love me like the seasons change. You're hotter than July. close if you want to. Maybe I am coming on too strong. Maybe this is too much, maybe all of this is wrong. Baby, I've been missing you like crazy lately, but I don't think you feel the same thing, baby. Or maybe you do, I don't have a clue. Cause you love me like the seasons change. You're hotter than July, you're cold, you switch so fast. Love me like the seasons change. You're hotter than July, you're cold, you switch so fast.
Don't know what to feel about this. I wanted everything to go right, but baby, I don't feel it this time. It's funny how you were leaving town in 2 days. I was the only one in your way. It all just felt a little too strange. These dreams, they take me too high. I want you one more time, but you were too far to reach. These heavy chains bring me down. My feet knows no solid ground, but you're not close to me. I feel